Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide device manager from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide device manager from control panel on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel. In view by, category is selected. Click on the drop down here and select large icons. Here in control panel you will find an option device manager and you can configure your devices from here. Now I am going to show you how to hide this device manager from control panel. Close control panel. Go to search. In search type GP edit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative templates. Click on control panel. Here you will find a setting hide specified control panel items, and now it's not configured. Right click on it. Click on edit. Now click on enabled. Here you will find list of disallowed control panel items and a show button. Click on the show button here, and under value just type Microsoft M capital dot device D capital manager M capital. Now Microsoft dot device manager. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now close group policy editor. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force to immediately update group policy. Now click on OK. Group policy is updating. Update has been finished. Now you need to sign out your computer and then log in again. Click on start menu. Click on your user icon and then click on sign out. After login again, I'm going to check. Click on search. In search type control panel. Click on control panel, and in control panel look, device manager is not showing here. Device manager is hidden from my control panel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.